Good morning, children. Welcome to our math session. Now, children, today we are going to do chapter 15 calendar revision. In our previous session, we did measurement of time revision, that was chapter 14. Okay, and chapter 16 and 17 we have done in our live session revisions. So, with this, we will finish our today revision, and this will be your last video of this year. Okay, so shall we start with our revision? Today's topic will be revision. Now use the calendar to answer the questions below. We have done lots of practice of calendar also. We have done lots of practice of measurement of time. In live session we did practice of calendar also and time also, plus pictograph also, handling data. So today we will just do a revision what we have done, children. This revisions are for you to give more practice so that your exam papers will go very smoothly. Okay, so we'll start. Use the calendar to answer the question. Now the first question is, what is the first day of the week? Now children, what is the first day of the week here? See, it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. But we want only the first day. First day means from where the week starts. Okay, we want only from where the week starts. So the week starts from Tuesday. That is the first day of the week. So our answer will be Tuesday. I will not able to write, children, here because I have less space. So we will discuss only the answers. Okay, wherever I get the space, I will write. But if I don't have space, mostly we will discuss the answer because already we have done a lot of revision of calendar. Now, how many days are in 1 week? This is very easy, children. How many days are in 1 week? Tell me. In 1 week, how many days are there? 7. That is a general question, children. You don't have to write this according to this calendar. Okay, because in some week there are 4 and in some week there are 5 in this. Okay. So, you will write a general question that how many days are 1 week? There are 7 days. How many Mondays are in this month? Let us count the Mondays now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, you are going to count only the Mondays where the dates are written. Okay. I have seen in the formative also many children have counted the Monday which is empty. Okay, you don't have to count that Monday. You have to count the Monday only which have numbers in that. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many Mondays are there in this month? There are 4 Mondays. Now what day of the week is July 10? What day of the week is July 10? Now where is July 10, children? Here. Okay, so what day it is? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So what day of the week is July 10? It is Thursday. Now let us move to the next. January 2016 calendar we have. This new year is beginning of which year? Now this new year is on which year, which day, children? Friday. See, the first. But it is beginning of which year? It is year 2016. Okay, what is the name of this month? The name of the month is January. This I have taken revision in the live session also, children. When is Martin Luther's birthday? We did November months. I hope you remember this. When is Martin Luther King's birthday? When is Martin Luther King's day celebrated? Martin Luther King's day celebrated on 18th January. How many weekends are in this month? Children, when it comes to weekend, that means Saturday and Sunday together are known as weekends. So we will count weekends, means the days on Saturdays and Sundays. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many weekends are there in this month? There are 10. On which date it is? On which date does the last Saturday fall? So children, which day the last Saturday fall? Can you tell me? On which day does the last Saturday fall? Just I'll move this weight. Okay. So on which date does the last Saturday fall? Where is the last Saturday? This is the first Saturday, second Saturday, third Saturday, fourth Saturday, and this is the last Saturday. So on which date it is the last Saturday? It is 30 January. Now children, I am not having place, so I am writing only Jan, but you have to write it full sentence, 30th January. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. Use the calendar to answer the following questions. Question number 1. When do I get my salary? Write both day and date. Now children, when do I get my salary? See in the calendar you can see there is a salary day. You can see here it is. See, it is a salary day. So what is that date? Date is 2, that is 2nd May, and the day is Monday. Okay. So how many months after getting my salary I go for shopping? When I am going for shopping, children, I go for shopping at 9. Okay. So when do I get my salary? I get my salary on 2nd, and I go at 9 for shopping. So how many days after that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9th I go for shopping. So after 6 days I go for shopping after getting my salary. What I am going to do on 3rd and last Sunday of this month? Now children, where is Sunday? Here. Okay. Wait, I'll erase this first. Now here is Sunday. Correct. So what am I going to do on 3rd and last Sunday? So the first Sunday, second Sunday, third Sunday. Third Sunday I am not going to do anything. And on the last Sunday, what I will be doing? I will be watching a movie. What I will be doing, children? I will be watching a movie. I'll zoom it and show you. Yes, see, I will watch a movie. That is on 29th, I will watch a movie. Okay, children, while watching the video also, you can zoom it and see it. Okay. Now what is the date? What is the day and date of Hina's birthday party? Now what is the date? What is the day and date of Hina's birthday party? Now where is Hina's birthday party, children? Here. It is on 12. When is Hina's birthday party? It is on 12. So what is the day on that? It is Thursday. And what is the date? The date is 12th May. What is the date? 8 days after Hina's birthday party. Now Hina's birthday party is on 12th, and we want 8 days after the day. Okay, after 12. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be the day? Day will be Friday, and the date will be 20th May. Now next, January 2007 calendar we have. Now we have to mark the first Saturday of January with a circle. Let us see where is the first Saturday. Here. We'll mark it with a circle. Check the fourth Tuesday. Now this is the first, second, third, and this is the fourth Tuesday. That is on 23. Cross the date which is celebrated as Martin Luther King's Day. We have to put a cross. Now which day is marked? Which day is celebrated as Martin Luther King's Day? It is 15. So we will cross it. Okay. Now mark the date which is 5 days before 18th January with a triangle. Now here is 18 January. Before that, okay, 5 days before. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I'll shift it here. And 5. So 5 days before 18 January will be 13. You have to mark it with a calendar. Wait, I'll erase this all. So we will mark it with a triangle. Okay, that is 13th. Now mark the second Wednesday with a rectangle. Where is Wednesday? This is the first Wednesday. This is the second. We will mark it with a rectangle. I'll make it again with. Okay, so we mark the second Wednesday with a rectangle. Now we will move to the next one. Clock or calendar, draw lines to proper tools. Now you have to, children, draw lines to the proper tools. Okay, now Christmas is in December. Now children, Christmas is in December. How you will come to know, by clock or by calendar? Of course, by calendar. Calendar shows us that Christmas is in December. School starts at 9. So what shows that? Clock, because it's a time. Trip to museum next week. What shows that trip to museum next week? We are going to mark it with in the calendar. Watch TV for 30 minutes. What is used to watch TV for 30 minutes? How will come to know? Clock, because it is time. Time for a baseball game. So again it is a time. Let's go to bed at 8. Again it's a time. Summer holidays will be in July. July month will be in calendar. The party was last weekend. Weekend, that is Saturday, Sunday. So that will be calendar. Dinner will be ready by 6 p.m. So that will be clock. Library is closed every Sunday. Sunday will be marked in calendar. I hope children it is clear. Now next. Now we have November calendar. What month is shown above? Which month is shown above, children? It is November month. Okay. How many days are there in this month? There are 30 days. Which day of the week is the first day of this month? Now Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So the first day of this month is Thursday. How many Tuesdays are there in this month? Let us count the Tuesday. This is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So how many Tuesdays? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 Tuesdays. How many days in a week? 7. What day of the week is Thanksgiving? Here it is Thanksgiving on 22. And what is the day? That is Thursday. What is the date of the football game? Now where is football game, children? Here. And it is asking what is the date of the football game? That is 10th November. What is the date of school play? Here is school play, that is on 19. So what is the date of the school play? That is 19 November. What day of the week is the election day? Now children, here on 6th it is election day. What is the day? Day is Tuesday. So with this, children, I finish my today's session of revision of calendar. I hope this is very clear to you. Children, this was the last video of this year. Okay, I hope you understood very clearly the topics which I have taught you. Now, any doubt we are doing in live session. So your queries or your doubts and more of revision will be done in your live session. So till then, children, keep practicing, keep learning. Take care. Bye.